Students, today I am going to discuss the topic division as a repeated subtraction. Division as a repeated subtraction means we need to subtract the divisor from the dividend repeatedly till we get 0. The number of times divisor is going to be subtracted from the dividend, that will be the answer. Let's discuss the question number A of exercise 5.4. In this question, the repeated subtraction has been solved and we are asked to write down the quotient only. Here, the question is 16 divided by 8 and we are asked to find out the quotient. Now, in 16 and 8, 16 is the dividend and 8 is the divisor. So, in the repeated subtraction, we need to subtract 8 from 16 repeatedly till we get 0. As you can see here, 8 is subtracted 2 times from 16, right? Hence, the answer is 2, or we can say that the quotient is 2. Now see the second example. Here we are asked what will be the quotient when 18 is divided by 6. Here 18 is the dividend and 6 is the divisor. This repeated subtraction is shown to you. Here you can see 6 is subtracted from 18 repeatedly till we get 0. Now let us count how many times 6 is subtracted from 18? 1, 2 and 3. Since 6 is subtracted from 18 3 times, our answer will be 3. That is, the quotient is 3. Now let's do the question number B. Use repeated subtraction to find the quotient. Here we are asked to solve the division by using the repeated subtraction, and then we are asked to write down the quotient as well. The question is 27 divided by 9. Here 27 is the dividend and 9 is the divisor. To use the repeated subtraction, we need to subtract the divisor 9 from 27 repeatedly till we get 0. So see here, initially I have subtracted 9 from 27. 27 minus 9 will get 18. Again I am going to subtract 9 from 18. Now 18 minus 9 will come 9. Again we subtract 9 from 9, will get 0. We have to continue this process till we get 0. Since we got 0, we stop here. Now let us count how many times we have subtracted 9 from 27. 1, 2 and 3. 3 times we have subtracted 9. Hence our answer will be 3. Hence the quotient is 3. Now let's take one more example. Use repeated subtraction to divide 24 by 6. Here 24 is the dividend and 6 is the divisor. To use the repeated subtraction, here we subtract the divisor 6 from 24 repeatedly till we get 0. So see here, first we subtract 24 and 6. Means here we have to subtract 6 from 24. Now 24 minus 6, 18. Again we subtract 6 from 18. Now 18 minus 6, 12. Again we subtract 6 from 12. 12 minus 6, 6. Again we subtract 6 from 6. Now 6 minus 6, 0. Now let us count how many times we have subtracted 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we have subtracted 6 4 times. Hence the quotient is 4. 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. Likewise, you can solve the remaining examples given in your textbook.